Let's move!
Alright everybody, kit review time. Picked up Wonder Woman, of all places, on Amazon. It was supposed to come in this week, and I got it last week within a couple of days of ordering it. I am a Prime member, so I should get free shipping on everything, which I normally do with Amazon, but this kit, I had to pay $7 for shipping. It was worth it. I think out the door, I got it for like $116. It was really cheap for this kit. There's a couple other websites that have this available for nearly $150, and I would have paid it, but I always shop around to see if I can get a good deal. I've got this movie on DVD. I think it's awesome. I've watched it a couple times already, and I've been wanting this kit ever since it came out. Got a nice picture of Wonder Woman here on the front. I want to build this kit sometime this year. It's 1/8 scale, skill level 3. On the back side, it gives you a little description of Wonder Woman. Amazon warrior. She's got incredible strength and skill, armed with a sword and shield and the lasso. It's really highly detailed. I'm sure we'll take a look at it here in a minute. I want to buy some oil paints for this kit too. Maybe do some highlights in her face and hair and her armor and maybe her shield, and maybe the like stone or rock that she's standing on. But I got to get this. There's an oil kit that you can buy for figures, and I'm going to have to pick that up down the road. But I think this is an awesome looking kit. A few people online have built this already. Next kit I want to get down the road is Batgirl, but I wanted to get Wonder Woman first. So let me go ahead and pause the camera, open this up, and take a look inside. And I'll be right back. Alright everybody, back on Wonder Woman. When you open up the box, the first thing you're going to see is the instructions. There's another picture of Wonder Woman. Very cool artwork right here of her. That's a cool looking pose of her. And we'll take a look at this here in a minute. I'll put this to the side. We'll open this up here, and you got let me turn this around. Better look at it this way. Right here is the lasso, and it's sealed in this little bag. I'm not going to take it out, but you can see it, and feels like it's plastic. Probably is. It's cool. And I see no flash on this. I looked at it before, and let me get the lighting a little bit over this way. Take a look at her. Very detailed, very cool looking. Let's see. I know my lighting is not the best down here in my shop. I gotta work on that down the road. But some of this stuff off her. I mean, she's got some weight to her, that's for sure, and she's really detailed. So it's going to be a nice little challenge to build Wonder Woman here and getting the right flesh tones and colors on her. But I always like a challenge, no matter what type of kit it is. Got her one leg right here. It's nicely detailed. The boot. And like I said, I have not found any flash whatsoever on this kit. Been well done here. I'm sure Batgirl is probably the same way. Here's the sword. Sword looks pretty cool. That looks pretty cool. And then her hair. I think that's going to be a challenge too, for the fact there's probably different shades in her hair that you'd have to maybe try to get to look like on the artwork. Probably shouldn't be too bad because she's got dark hair, so it shouldn't be too bad of a challenge. Here's her other arm for the sword, for the shield. Nicely detailed. Here's the shield. Shield looks pretty cool. It's not really, I can't say it's flimsy. It's got a lot of detail. You can see right here. That's going to look cool. Weathered and painted. But it's decent size too. You can see in the palm of my hand. Good size shield. And we got some detail on the other side. Here's her other leg. Nicely detailed. Very cool. Here's the stand, and it's heavy duty. It's got a lot of weight to it. I think there's a little description on the back side of it, which is cool. Batman versus Superman, Dawn of Justice. That's pretty cool. So let me go ahead and pause the camera, and we'll take a look at the instructions, and I'll be right back. Alright everybody, here's the instructions that you get with the kit. I'll go ahead and open it up. Part 1 is the body, the hair and the head. And, B is the lower left leg. It says you got a torso option, and then 2 is your left arm. Here it shows the arm and the shield. Here it shows the hair attaching to the head, and then the legs to the lower part of her body. Here it gives you tips for working with resin kits before you begin, which I'll wash this kit real good. Painting here. I know the lighting's not the best, but painting, which is cool. Open this up here, and it shows you putting her arm with the shield on her left side, and then the sword over here, and then finally mounting it to the base, which is cool. 3 is the weapons, 4 is the base, which is cool. And then over here you get a full color display, or full color picture of Wonder Woman. And I'm gonna have to look online because her hair and eyes are dark brown, skin is light flesh. Her breastplate is metallic dark red. Her skirt is metallic denim blue. Can't speak today. Her armor detail, lasso, and sword is gold. Her sword blade is silver. Her shield is metallic gray gold. The boots are metallic dark red gold. And the leather straps are brown. So it gives you a good description of the colors you're going to need. I think most of these probably are available in oils. So I'm going to have to do my homework and check online. And then here's, of course, the other kits that you can purchase. Batman and Superman. It'd be nice to get them all down the road and have them set up like the picture you see right here. I don't have a problem with figure kits. You just have to take your time with them. But if you don't have this kit, you can afford to pick it up. And if you build it down the road, just take your time. I've got something I want to put on the end of this video, so I'll pause the camera for now and I'll be right back. Alright, this is what I wanted to add to the end of the video. I purchased these probably about a month ago. I don't have one, I have two Franklins. Been wanting this kit too for a long time, and I ordered two. I'm going to have to save my pennies up and get the light kit from Tenant Controls and get the photo edge that's supposed to be coming out soon for this kit. Quite a few people have built this online already and put the lighting kit in from Tenant Controls. It gives you a little description on the back here of the ship. I like it because it's 1/350 scale and it's not a very big kit, so this will probably fit real fine in my display case. But since the kit's a little under $50, it's not expensive to pick up. But I've got the movie on DVD. I think it's a pretty good movie, especially with the Captain Kirk and his crew taking off from the planet in this ship. I thought it was pretty cool. But I'll build this probably sometime this year once I get the light kit and the photo edge that's coming out for it. So I'm going to call this a wrap for Wonder Woman here. And like I said, I'll probably build this kit down the road this year. I'll probably take my time. I'm not going to do this in a couple weeks. I want it to turn out to look awesome. So I'd like to thank all my YouTube subscribers. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Sub to my channel. And I'll talk to everybody later.